Sheila Chachal. Welcome all of you in Ocean Pattern School, the series of parts of speech. Students, we have learned about parts of speech. We learned overview, then noun, pronoun, and today we are going to learn about adjective. So let's start. What is adjective? Types of adjective and order of adjective. Today we will learn three topics about adjective. So starts with what is an adjective? Yes, an adjective gives information about a noun or a pronoun. Adjective gives information or modify a noun or a pronoun. When a word modify noun or pronoun, it is called an adjective. We learned what is noun and what is pronoun in our previous lecture. So you can know what is noun and what is a pronoun. If you don't know what is noun and what is a pronoun, please see our previous lecture. So adjective is a word that modify a noun or a pronoun. There are 4 big white words in this row. In this sentence, you can see how many adjectives are there. Yes, 4 big white and these modify the room, and 4 big and white modify words. So it is called adjective. Hope you can get that what is adjective and how adjective modify noun or pronoun. Students, let's see how many types of how many types of adjective. The types of adjective. Mainly, we have 2 types of adjectives. First one is determiners and second one is descriptive. Determiners means my, our, your, his, her, this, that, these, those, what, which, whose, quantity and articles. All these are determiners. That in short we can say that which shows some grammatical word, it is called determiners. You have a question that what is a quantity? Yes. Whenever you use a word, a few, some, many, these all words called quantity and they are also an adjective. Articles a, n and the also adjective. So determiners, adjective are mine, our, your, possessive, his, her, this, that, these, those, what, which book do you like? If we say which book do you like, in this sentence which modify the book, so which is determiners adjective. Whose chalk is this? Here whose modify the chalk, so it is called determiners article. And quantity, a word like a few, some, many, few, all are determiners, so it's called determiners adjectives. And articles a and the also an adjective. First one is very easy and second one is descriptive adjective. Students, we have lots of descriptive adjective, but here we learn some common mistake when we make using adjective. So first of all, ending with ing and ed. Sometimes we make adjective by verb ending with ing and n. See here. Bore is a verb and boring is adjective. Bored also adjective. Confused is a verb. If we put ing, confusing, it's also made adjective, and confused is also adjective. Excite is a verb. Exciting is adjective, and excited is also adjective. Whenever we put ing or ed in verb, it is called adjective. But sometimes we make mistake using ing or ed in a sentence. What shows the ing and what shows ed? Let's discuss. My brother and I went to see a movie. The movie was boring, so we were bored. Students, here you think that why we put here boring and why we put here bored? Why we not put here bored and here boring? Yes, the question is good. Reason is that when the verb ending with ing, it shows cause, reason, and when the verb ending with ed, it shows result. Keep in mind, students, whenever you write your paper in your exam time, you have some blanks. At that time, these rules is very useful to you to write your blanks. I repeat, when verb end with ing and make adjective, it shows cause, means reason, it shows the reason. And when verb end with ed and make adjective, it shows result. So here we see that my brother and I went to see a movie. The movie was boring. Boring, उसका result क्या है? We were bored. The result is bored. Cause क्या है bored का? Bored हो गए तो उसका boring, वो boring था इसीलिए bored हो गए. तो ing shows cause and ed shows result or effect. We can say effect. Second sentence. The story was. How was story? Exciting. What is the result of exciting? And the children were excited to hear it. The excited shows result and exciting shows reason, cause. So hope you can understand when the verb ending with ing and ed. Repeat. When verb ending with ing, it shows cause or reason, and when verb ending with ed, it shows result or effect. Now you will not make a mistake to using verb with ending ing or ed. Our next common mistake is when we use a comparative and superlative form. In comparative, we use more or less plus adjective, and then in superlative, the most, the least, and plus adjective. Here, student, we have a sentence: Radha is more taller than Sita. Is it a correct sentence or not? Think that. Is it a correct? If it is a correct, then how? And if it is wrong, then what is wrong in this sentence? Yes, Radha is more taller than Sita. Here we see that more and taller, both we cannot use. The sentence is wrong. The right sentence is Radha is taller than and sita. Sometimes in exam, students write like this: Radha is more taller. Whenever you put er, at that time you cannot use more. You have to use one, either more or er. We have some rule to use er. Hope you can know the rule. Likewise, in this sentence, Bill Gates is the most richest man in the world. What is wrong in this sentence? Yes, most is wrong. You have to write the richest. It is the superlative degree and it's comparative degree. So here we put er, so remove more. Here we put est, so remove most. Whenever you write, at that time keep in mind, don't write both more or er, most or est. Use one of them by using rule. Third and most important part, when we have so many adjectives in sentence, at that time we confused that which adjective we should put first. Students, we have some order of adjective and we follow the order of adjective and make our sentence correct. See, order of adjective: Indian, black, big, new, wooden, round and beautiful. You have the list of adjective and you have to use this adjective in a sentence. You have a sentence like this: I have a blank 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 chair. Okay. Now put this adjective in order. You feel confused. What we should write first? Black, Indian, big, new. Yes, we have some order like this. First of all, you have to put determinants. You know what is determinants? My God, this, that. We have a list of determinants. First of all, put determinants. Opinion, then opinion. What is your opinion? Opinion, that means beautiful, expensive, delicious. Then size, small, big, large, tall, etc. Then put shape, round, rectangle, whatever. Age, old, new, young. Then color. You can write COLOUR and COLOR. Both are correct. Blue, red, yellow. Then origin: Indian, French, Chinese, etc. Material, from which this thing made: cotton, iron, wooden. Purpose: what is the purpose of the thing? Sports, cleaning, etc. Now you can write blank. I have, first of all, determinants. We have one determinant. Then opinion, yes, we have beautiful. Then beautiful, I have beautiful. Then size, do we have size? Yes, big, big. Then shape, do we have shape? Yes, round. Then age, do we have age? Yes, new. Then color, do we have color? Yes, black. Then origin, origin is Indian. Then Indian. Then material, material is yes, wooden. And then chair, we didn't have purpose. If we say sitting chair, then wooden sitting chair. Then our sentence is like that: I have a beautiful, big, round, new, black, Indian, wooden. If we have sitting, then wooden sitting chair. It is the right order to write the adjective. And whenever you have more adjective, then you have to follow this order to write adjective. Students, hope you can understand what is adjective, types of adjective, and three main common mistakes when we adjective. I repeat, the adjective is modified noun or pronoun. Two types of adjective, determiners and descriptive adjective. We have lots of descriptive adjective. We learned three common mistakes. Verb ending with ing and ed. Whenever verb ending with ing and made adjective, it shows cause, and when verb end with ed and with adjective, it shows result. Then we learn what is the main mistake of comparative and superlative. Whenever you use er, at that time you don't use more, and whenever you use most, you don't use est. Use one of them, est or most, according to the rules. Third, most important, order of adjective. Follow this order and then write your sentence. Hope you can understand. And you have some exercise that write 5 sentences according to this order and make your own sentence. Let's see how you can follow this order. Thank you, students.